Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about Gina the Seamstress. Now, Gina has decided that she only wants her products to be priced by 10 cents, 10-cent increments, meaning that she doesn't want any smaller charges on her prices. No $19.99 price tags. Instead, it would be $19.90 or $20 even. Now, how does she update her pricing with this new format though? Let's try the text function. Okay, so you can see here that she has her spreadsheet of the dress type, the dress design, and the current pricing, and then the column we're going to be working in, which is column D for new pricing. You can see over here that this is actually the way that our text function is going to look. What we're going to do is type out the text function in row 2. We're going to completely focus on row 2, and then we'll fix the data so it fills in column D, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So for D2, cell D2, we're going to type in the equal text function, and then the value is going to be what dollar amount we're trying to update. So we're focusing on row 2, so we're going to click cell C2. That's all of the values that we need to focus on now, so we're going to move on to formatting the text. And that's really what this function does, is it formats the text in the layout that you want. Since it is text as opposed to selecting other cells, we are going to put this in quotation marks. Now it's going to be $0.0.0. The reason why it's formatted like this is that we want to keep the actual main dollar amount, in this case the 52, but we don't want that 7 cents to stay on there. So this is where it'll round up or round down automatically, so it's in 10-cent increments. So in this case, since it would round up, it would be 52.40. Since it's 37 right now, it would round up to 40. And then in other cases, it would round down to, let's say, the 38.91 would round down to 38.90. Now I'm going to add that last quotation to close that out and add the parenthesis to close out the entire function and press enter. So now you can see here it dropped that last section, that last dollar amount. And what's nice about this is that the function's there and it dropped that extra pennies, like the 7 cents that we didn't want on here. But what's nice is you can still convert this to currency and it will actually add the 0 back after you're done with the function. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So for now, we're going to click this, double click it for it to drop down, and now you can see that it actually filled in and updated the information for all of these. Now this is up to 10 cents, this is up to 40 cents, 80 cents, 50 cents, 40 cents, and so on. So now I'm going to actually copy this data and then paste it with values. I'll have a link in the description of how to do that, another video that I made with Nathan the Novice breaking down this exact process. But for the most part, it's really just a copy and paste. And what we're going to do here after that, values only, that actually removes the entire function. And now that it's updated all the information we want, we can actually just change this. You'll see these little marks come up here. What we're going to do is select the entire column and actually convert to number. Now what that does is it adds that 0 right back on. So we were able to use the text function to drop that last number and round the numbers according to 10-cent increments. And then when we copy and paste it so the functioning is no longer there, we can format it to add that 0 back on, converting it to number and changing it to currency. This is exactly what Gina was looking for, and now she has the numbers that she really wants to try out and put on her Etsy shop. Now she can save time in the future if she ever wants to round her numbers or format them differently using the text function. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below, and until next time, have fun excelling!